Hello, I'm in a 2009 Honda Ridgeline, and today I'm going to show you how to add power steering fluid. So first open the hood, and then towards the passenger side, you should see this reservoir here. This is where you'd add your power steering fluid. Double check your owner's manual or good online source that you've got the best liquid for your particular make and model. But that said, you just open this cap up, pull this little plug, and then with a funnel or straight from your liquid, you can just add as needed. There's a max line here and a minimum, so you don't want it completely full. There's supposed to be some air gap. When you're done, just close everything up again nice and tight. And then you should hardly ever have to add to the system, so I would double check around the reservoir and all the lines as well to make sure there's no cracks or leaks. If there are, you definitely want to address that. But I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.